Hi guys. You are welcome to Femtech Studio. In today's tutorial I will show you how to import pictures and audio files into your Plotagon scenes. Special thanks to God Almighty and to you my subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. I love you all. Random shout out to my recent subscribers. Financial Goals, All Faraway Music, and Z30's Production. I always do a random shout out to all my subscribers. So if you want your name to be mentioned on my channel, click on the subscribe button and like my video. As of today the 20th of May 2021, we just want to let you know that we have just achieved this number of views and subscriber. Thank you once again. Before we proceed to today's tutorial, note all my videos are subtitled in different languages. Without further ado, let's get down to this video. Open up your Plotagon Studio. I recommend you use the same version I'm using. Link to that video is available in the description box. From all the scene provided, there are some special scenes that allow you to import your picture. Select Create Video. Next select the scene icon. Select scene from the scene displayed. They are just 5 special scenes that allow you to import pictures. The first one is Control Scene. To import a picture, select on the picture icon, navigate to where the picture is saved on your system and select. Recommend you use 1600 by 900 pictures resolution, so that it could cover the entire screen. Next, the second special scene is Corporate Office and Workstation. Also follow the same procedure as explained earlier. The third special scene is CEO Office. Follow the same procedure as explained earlier. The fourth special scene is New Desk. Follow the same procedure as explained earlier, while the fifth scene special scene is Service Desk, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also watch the next video for more Plotagon tips and tricks.